stop scrolling, most people will miss this shift, not because they are lazy, because they are distracted. In 2026, income will follow one thing: applied AI skill, not theory, not motivation, skill. Right now in America, businesses are overwhelmed. Too many emails, too much content, too many tasks, too little time. That is opportunity. Skill number 1, AI sales messaging. Companies struggle to explain their offer. You use ChatGPT to clarify it, sharpen headlines, refine offers, strengthen call to action, clear message, higher conversion, higher revenue, and they pay for that. Skill number 2, AI workflow structuring. Small businesses waste hours daily. You build prompt systems, customer reply templates, proposal drafts, follow-up sequences. One system, used daily, that saves time. Time saved is money created. Skill number 3, AI research compression. Executives do not want 20 pages, they want insight. You summarize data, extract key points, highlight decisions. Speed equals advantage. Advantage equals income. Understand this clearly. AI is not the business. Application is. You are not competing with AI. You are competing with speed, and speed now belongs to those who understand tools. In the United States, the market rewards problem solvers. Become one, start small, master one skill, then scale. 2026 will not wait. Neither should you.